I'm Bryan Cassady, Director of the Global Entrepreneurship Alliance. We're on a mission to coach, train 1 million entrepreneurs by 2027. We're excited to be working with the Pro Education Platform for Champions in Pakistan. They share our vision on the importance of educating and training the entrepreneurs of tomorrow. We just finished a new course on how to pitch anything to anyone, being who you are. We'll be running a free pilot remote session with PPC on Saturday, May 20th at 3 o'clock Pakistani time. Here's some common piece of advice you may have heard about pitching in the past. Stand straight, smile, imagine your audience in your underwear. I don't know how that helps, but maybe it does. Use this pitch format, use that one. My guess is the more you look, the more confusing everything becomes. A good pitch is simpler than you think. It grabs attention, it's clear, it asks for action, and is usually short. I'd like to invite you to join this event and learn why authenticity, being you, is the key to pitching well. 10 ways to get your pitch right, how to use our pitch template, and how to use AI to improve your pitch. You might be asking if this event is for you. Everybody is pitching all the time. Being able to pitch well is a meta skill that will make everything you do at work easier. If you want to learn how to make a better pitch, this event is for you. The requirements are: it is going to be a work together session, so you will need a stable internet connection and be willing to work together. If you want to learn how to pitch anything to anyone, being who you are, apply now. This is a free event limited to 50 participants. Here's the link: www.tiny.cc/pitch-ppc. Be a champion and join us on the Pro Education Platform for Champions. This will be a fun event. I hope to see you on the 20th.